once again. Welcome to our channel. So today we're going to be doing Yvonne's love hair. I'm good at making hair too, so I'm not just good at content creating, make hair, do little stuff. So Yvonne, say shout out to the fans.
Shout out to the fans.
Yeah, Merry Christmas in advance. How you all doing? Are you good? Yvonne, are you good? Are you excited to make Christmas? Okay.
I'm so excited.
Okay, let's get started. So I'm gonna make a little tutorial on how to make braids. So I'm going to be making braids like this one I'm having on YvonneLove. So let's see how it turns out to be. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna put some cream on the hair. So I'm using like this hair food. You can get it online on Amazon and some places where they make more braids. So you can get that there. So I have this. I'm gonna put it on the hair. So first of all, subscribe, share, like, comment, and give the thumbs up. Oh yeah. So and thank you all for getting us up to 2,000 subscribers. We are so grateful. We appreciate it a lot. So Yvonne, what would you like to make? Is it center part or side or like mine? You know, so we're gonna go there. So let's get started. First, we're gonna put the hairs and share them into different parts. Just as I'm doing. So let's see how it goes. I'm not so perfect in braiding hair, but I'm trying. Since Yvonne was born, I'm the one making her hair, and I'm good at it, right, Yvonne? Yes. So making her hair. I remember when she was a baby, she don't allow you to touch her hair at all. She cries and cries. You have to buy some candies and stuff so she can sit. But now she sits by herself and makes the hair. So we divide it into smaller parts, just as I'm doing. Okay, comb, and I'm going to have. I get this. You can get from the pharmacy or in shops. Like it's just some braids. Hair cream, oil. It's really good for braids. So we're going to add V2 in the hair and comb and we start. So I've arranged most of the braid I'm going to be using. So you see, so she's going to be using color black and like a little bit blonde. Color 4, color 26, I guess. I don't really know. If you know the color, just put it at the comment section. So that's how I do mine. And it doesn't normally mean you're gonna do exactly the way I'm doing it. So you do it like this is how it's easy for me. So let's get started. So you're gonna put the braids, put it under the hair, turn your hand over it. Bring this one this way, turn the other hand over here, this one is up, and you just put like this, and like this, and like this, and like this, and that's it. And just twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. Just keep twisting your hands, and that's it. We have braids. So that's how we do it. Yeah. So that's how we're gonna braid all the hair until it's finished. So stay glued to your TV sets, to your phones, wherever device you're watching from, as we make step by step, we're braiding this full So much hair. So much hair. She got so much hair. Right? Oh, it's so much hair. But they're beautiful. They're nice. So we are almost done with the first hair. So share this video to your friends. And so Yvonne, what are you going to be having for Christmas?
I'm actually pretty much thinking
Now
about
take your
it.
head a little bit forward.
Okay, I'm thinking about it, but something that I really want. First thing is and so vinyl.
You want the what?
Uggs,
Uggs. What's that?
like some winter shoes that you can use.
I'm old fashioned. I don't know what it's Uggs. So I'm gonna go. Sometimes she just says stuff and I have to like Google them to know what it really is. Like what is on Vogue for girls. It's so like if you feel the same like mothers, if you know what I'm talking about, like your kids just tell you stuff and you're like, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it exists. Sometimes we just like, oh yeah, I know, and sometimes you just go Google it to know what it really is. So these generations, oh my god, they know a lot of stuff that we don't know. So yeah, we've gotten the first braid out of the way. Let's see. So I'm gonna show you a little bit closer. Show you guys a little bit closer. This is the first braid. I tried. I did it. It's so beautiful. So we're gonna do more of this. So stay glued to your TVs, to your devices as we do more of this until we get it to the.
Let's go to see the stars and the moon. I'd fly far into space as long as I am with you. The light in my bright eyes when you're near. The fluttering I feel in my chest when you are here. I can't explain this kind of love. It pulls me to you, I want it, I can't get enough. So share this precious life with me. Just take my hand and let's enjoy the things that we'll see.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So come and show the fans your braid. I made this too. Come. I made this. Come, bend down a little. Yeah, that's a good braid. No, stand up. Let them see a little. Come closer to the camera. No, come closer. Come closer. Are you scared of the camera? Yeah. So I made this. So give me a rating. What do you think if I did so good? Yeah. And I need this too. Come, oh, she's a princess. She's wearing a crown already. Where are you going? Yeah, so I made this. Come close to the camera. Come close to the camera. Come show the fancy of hair. Yeah, so I made this.
Look about my necklace.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna show them your necklace over there. Got a necklace.
What about mine?
Yeah, where did you get the necklace from?
From the store.
From the store.
Yeah.
So you guys went to the store?
Yeah. Also with Dad.
With Dad? Oh.
You don't need to have presents.
I said so.
No. Because it costs too much money.
Oh my god, so what? My presents cost too much money?
Yes.
No, girl. I think I can buy you.
Which one am I going to take for you? Nothing to have.
You can buy me cheap stuffs too.
Not cheap. Also, nails
No,
coming
cheap, like not so
Also,
expensive.
nails coming. I can tell Dad. Also,
So-
nails.
You want to buy me nails?
But Dad said no. I said for you.
I said no.
No, I can give you nails.
Okay, you want to buy me nails for yourself?
No,
I can-
nail polish. And Dad said no. I can give
no.
you more nail polish for you.
So you
When
wanted
you're
to
happy,
buy
yeah.
nail polish and daddy
Yeah.
said no.
Yeah.
Of course, you're just a child. You don't need that, okay? No, come on.
No, you can't. It will not.
Of course, I'm your mommy. I need to have
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
good tidings we bring to you and your kings. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So guys, we are done with the braids. This is the last part. Oh, I really try, right, Yvonne?
Yeah.
I tried. It's so beautiful. Wow. It took us like 3 hours, right?
I think 4.
4 hours. Yeah. So much time to do these guys. Well, we're done. And it's so beautiful. I like colors. It's like gold and black. Guys, we're done. It's so beautiful braids. Do you like it?
Yeah. And just giving this Christmas.
Christmassy vibes. Oh my god. Christmassy vibe. Have you heard that before? These girls of nowadays, they're something else. Christmassy vibe. Okay, I've learned some slangs today. Christmassy vibe. Oh yeah, we are done. I'm gonna show you guys the touch up and how it looks behind and all that, so you guys can see how it is. Yeah. So this is how it's beautiful. So guys, if you like my handwork, just put a thumbs up for me. Thumbs up. Stay still, please. Just put a thumbs up for me so I can know I'm doing good. Guys, this is what I do. Sure, come closer. How did it go? Guys, tell me if you like it. Huh? So guys, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bells, comment, like, and share. Thank you for watching YvonneLove Family. See you in the next video. Peace. Bye.